Jai Hind everyone, let's begin. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from which country? England, which is the essential element in all organic compounds. Carbon, which is the oldest stock exchange of India. Bombay Stock Exchange. What are the temperate lows? Subpolar low pressure belts, which are tile earliest Buddhist literature that deal with stories of the various birth of Buddha. Jatakas. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan distinguished himself in which field? Agriculture. By which plants is the maximum fixation of solar energy than green plants? In which year was the first no confidence motion moved in Lok Sabha after independence? 1963. Which hot and dry winds that help in the ripening of grapes in the Alps region? Fohin. Which language was used in the literature of Sangam period? Tamil. What is the wavelength of visible spectrum? 3900 to 7600 angstrom. The fragments of which comet system collided with Jupiter in July 1994? Shoemaker-Levy 9. The National Housing Bank was set up in India as a wholly owned subsidiary of which bank? RBI. Wine production is mainly carried out in natural region, Mediterranean region, which was the most important factor in transforming ancient Indian society into feudal society. Practice of land grants. Which animal resembles most to human beings in terms of physical and mental capabilities? Chimpanzee. From here can a member of parliament claim immunity? From civil cases only. Salts of which element provide colors to fireworks? Strontium and barium. Where are the Postas temperate grassland? Hungary. Which was the Chola king who conquered the northern part of Sri Lanka and made it a province of his empire? Raja. Where is the largest automobile manufacturing center in the world located? Detroit. ORT is associated with the treatment of which disease? Diarrhea. To suspect HIV/AIDS in a young individual, which symptom is mostly associated with chronic diarrhea. Which is the chief industry of Afghanistan? Carpet making. Why did Muhammad bin Tughlaq transfer his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad to control South India better? With which the executive power relating to concurrent subjects remain? The center. We cannot see during a fog. Why? Because of scattering of light. Which situation makes a firm most efficient? Lowest average cost. Silk textiles are mainly produced in which countries? China and India. The Portuguese traveller Nunes visited Vijayanagar during the reign of which ruler? Achyuta Rajya. Thanks, Satan.